Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tari Karemba. Thank you for tuning in again today. So as you can see from the title and from me looking like a painting with this hair, today I'm going to show you how I achieved this hairstyle. So I did this hair for my Jasmine, Princess Jasmine from Aladdin look during Halloween month, and when I did it, I just did it as a reel, so I didn't show step by step, and I actually got a number of DMs asking, you know, for me to show how it was done. So Sharon and Tinashe, this one's for you sweeties. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy it. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm starting with my freshly washed hair, and the first thing I'm gonna do is to just section off a small piece of hair here. This is the hair that I'm going to leave to do the little braids, right? I'm just gonna drench the rest of it with gel. Be generous, guys, be generous. And if you have like super thick 4C hair, then take it section by section. My hair is like a really thin it's type 4, but it's not 4C, so that's why I can just put the gel on top and comb it in. So if you have thick hair, do it a section at a time, okay? Okay, so you see, this is what I was saying. All I have to do is apply gel on the outside and then comb it in, and it's already looking sleek. So that's how it works if you have hair that's like on the thinner side. But like I said, if you have thick 4C hair and like a lot of hair, take it a section at a time. So now I'm just gonna take some gel and then rub it in my hands and just apply it all over before I tie it. So I'm gonna tie my hair up here because it is a high ponytail, so yeah. Okay, so while I'm letting that dry before I tie it, I'm just gonna do my edges quickly. So I'm taking an old toothbrush and I'm putting some gel at the end of that toothbrush, and you guys know the drill already. I'm gonna swoop so I'm gonna start here on the side and just swoop. And then here I'm just gonna bring it into my actual hair, since it's gonna be covered by that ponytail anyway. I mean, by the hair we've left out. Then on the other side, again, we're just gonna swoop. Love to see it. And then again over here, just gonna swoop it in that direction so that it looks nice. And then above my ear, I like to just bring that hair down Yeah. Like so. Okay, cool. So now my edges are laid. Okay, now we just need to focus on this part here. Okay, so I'm just going to divide it into 2 parts, like so. And then I'm taking the Sublime Kinky hair that I used during Africa Month. Okay, so this is the Sublime Kinky hair that I used during Africa Month, and as you can see, it's just different pieces. So what I'm going to do is just pull out a piece from here, since it was like a scrunchy type situation. And then as you can see, I have one long piece of hair here, and I'm going to cut it in half right over here. So this is what the hair looks like. So I'm going to use my natural hair as the 3rd braid, and I'm just going to plait it together like I'm doing box braids, like so. Okay, so as you can see, I've looped this thing around my natural hair like so. So now I'm just gonna start plaiting it. I have just planted the hair on. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, so I've just planted the hair on, still looking pretty natural. And then now what I'm going to do is take my rubber bands, so I'm going to take my rubber bands to now turn it into like the bubble that you guys saw. So the first rubber band is going to stop here where I stopped plaiting. Rubber band. Then I'm gonna bring the next one maybe somewhere here. So remember to make it long enough for you to be able to spread it out to make it a bubble, but not too long that the hair is just looking crazy. So pay attention. Okay, so I've put the rubber band on the next part, and I'm going to take the hair between the first rubber band and the second rubber band and pull it out a little bit like so, because that's what's going to make it look like a bubble. And there we go. It's that simple, guys. Then I'm going to repeat the process. Okay, so once you're finished with your bubble, now you're just gonna trim the ends because you don't want it to be like ridiculously long. So here's my first bubble. So now that I've given you a step-by-step, I'm now gonna do this side while you just watch me do it. But as you can see, it's pretty simple. So as you can see, I'm done with the front part of my hair. Yeah, now I'm gonna show you how I did the bubble ponytail. So for this hairstyle, I used the YAKI braid, the Darling YAKI braid, and here it is. It's the short one. It's not really long. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. It's just normal braiding hair, nothing fancy. So what I am going to do is I'm going to apply the rubber bands the same way I did here, and then of course pull it out a little so that it looks like a bubble. Simple as that. You can see I'm applying the rubber bands from the top because it just makes it easier for me than if I try to do it from the bottom. So as you can see, when I take my rubber band around for the second time, that's actually starting to create the bubble effect without me having to do anything. So there you go, we have our bubble. So now I'm just going to attach it. So I've just spread my hair like this so I could cover my real ponytail, and I'm just going to clip it here and here using a bobby pin. So this is how I did my bubble ponytail. Now I'm just going to do my makeup so I can come back, make my intro and outro looking human. Okay guys, so I am back now. As you can see, a girl is looking good. Okay, so yeah, you guys saw the step by step. First I started by gelling my hair, right, and then we left the little bits of hair here so that I could attach this, and then we made this into little bubbles using our rubber bands, and of course the big bubble at the back, sweetie, and then of course we used our rubber bands too. So I look good. I know. If you don't agree, I always say this, go fight with your ancestors, because me and my ancestors are on the same page today, okay? Anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Share the video with your friends, and shout out to everyone who requested this video. Specifically, shout out to you, Sharon and Tinashe. I hope you guys find this useful. Hope you like the video, and I'll catch you guys next time.